welcome to the web design course here at Seraph. Nice to have you here. So let's go over what we're going to do. Now, web design, you'll see these words really quickly. User interface, UI, and user experience, UX. And it's just kind of lingo in the field. For me, it's just they're like cool buzzwords, you know. So you'll see those like the UI or the UX. That's just what it means. Now, the goal of web design is really, really simple. You're just trying to make the software, the website, or the app. You're just trying to make it pretty and intuitive. You want it to look nice, so people are like, "Ooh, I want to check that out." And then you want them to, be able to use it without like them just being like, "I can't figure this out," and then leaving it. So that's the goal. Really simple. Now, the tool we're going to use for our web design stuff is called Figma, and we're going to go over how to download it now. All right, so you can go to the Figma downloads site and just download it for Mac and Windows. And after that, you can drag the thing to your applications and then open it up. There we go. And when you first open it up, it's going to ask you to sign in or something like that. And I guess you have to create an account now, which you didn't have to in the past. It's kind of annoying. So just create your free account. It's free. And then once you're done doing that, go here. You can click this plus button. You can create this design file. Woo. Okay, and I'll give you this blank thing. You're like, what is this? Now, if you can see all these tools and everything. So if you go to this thing called frame, and we can create a frame, and I'm going to lock it for now. You can, wait, so if you go here, you can lock it so you can't do anything to it. And that's good. You could also make it invisible. Woo. Okay. Cool. So you have your frame, and that represents the website, your frame. And that's typically what you're building off of. And right now we're just going to go over the basics. You can see, let's create a rectangle. This is you can create shapes here, which is kind of cool, images. And if you go here, you move it. Yep, let's go back. You can move it. You can do this, make it weird. Now, if you want to keep the proportions, you can go to the scale thing. Oh, and this VK here, just it's quicker. There's shortcuts. So if I click, I think it was K. I'll go back to it. Oh, it's V. Okay, let's click V. See, you can see it changes there. Awesome. You can rotate it. You can do all you want. So those are shapes, for your frame. And then let's go back. Under frame, you can see this thing called slice. And that's typically used for if you have a part of the site that you want to export and bring into a new file or something like that. Or if you want to cut out a piece of an image, then you'll use the slice. Then you have your shapes again. Then you have this pen tool, and you can draw stuff. Woo, very cool. You also have this pencil. You can draw smiley face. This is great for prototyping. And you have your text. Then there are plugins and things. You can add all sorts of different things with these plugins. And then, I don't know, the hand tool, you can just move around. And you can create comments. Also, if I draw a rectangle, you'll see these properties on the right-hand side. And we'll go into all of them in detail. Ooh, effects, that'll be cool. So this is the real basics of Figma. I'm just trying to get you set up today. And the next few sections, we're going to build a few projects and just learn how to do some web design. Yeah.